Hi friends, welcome to another interesting episode today where we will discuss some hidden truths behind investing. So let's get started. So the first question that you might be interested may be why you should know about investing, or rather what will happen to you if you do not invest. Before answering that question, let's understand what investing is. If you look at investing from the viewpoint of opportunity cost, investment is something that you sacrifice today to attain an increase in value over a period of time. The first perspective of investing, which I would like to share with you, is time. You might have heard the quote, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it is your mistake. But I would like to add here that we all are born equal. We all have the same 86,400 seconds every single day. In fact, the only thing that we have is our time. Everything we achieve in life is a result of how well we have invested our time. The quality of the time that we spend with our dear ones define our relationships. The time that we invest into learning and acquiring the required skill set define the job that you will get. The success that we appreciate someone for is the result of hours of hard work they spend behind the scenes. The most precious thing that we can invest is our time, and the most precious asset that we should invest is ourselves. So now let's talk about time-money relationship. We know that money is the legal tender, a medium of exchange, a store of value, etc. But what is the actual value of money? Money is something that you get in exchange for your time that you have given for someone. For example, your employer or government pays you money because you have spent your time in building what they want. So depending upon the value of your service, you are rewarded with money. So money is literally what you exchanged your time for. So money is different form of time. Now let's talk about the second perspective of investing, which is money. So the question that we should ask is, why is it so important that we invest money? Before getting answer to that, we need to answer this very important question. Why does the rich get richer while the poor become poorer? The simple reason is that we all have limited amount of time, which means limited amount of value or money. In order to get rich or increase your time value of money, you need others to give you their time, because you cannot create time. Which is what business is. Intelligent people hire other people to work for them so that they can do greater things and achieve great value in life. Now, what if there is someone who is ready to work for you for free? Yes, you have guessed it right. It is nothing but your money. Yes, your money can work for you. That is what investing is. So what will happen if you don't invest? That's $1 million question. So if you ask me, that is like asking what will happen if you do not wake up from sleep. We all need good sleep. Similarly, we all need money for our immediate expenses. But keeping money idle in your pockets is like oversleeping. It badly affects you. On one hand, inflation will slowly kill the value of your money. On the other, you will miss out your future financial security. There is no point in running after money all our life. A time will come when we will not be able to do any job. It may be getting older, getting sick, or anything. We should be prepared for that. We should be able to live a life that we want. We need to follow our passions. We need to achieve a state of life where we need not worry about money. A time in life where you don't have to go to work to earn money, but the money that you earned works for you and provide for your needs. And this state of life, my dear friends, where you can follow your passions without worrying about money, is called financial freedom. To summarize what we have discussed so far, we have talked about what is investing. and we have discussed about the two perspectives of investing. The one is time, the other one is money, and we came to know that how time and money are related, and we understood what we should do in order to get rich, and we have seen what intelligent people do, and we have seen what will happen to us if we do not invest. We understood the need to achieve financial freedom. In the next video, we will cover how exactly the money works for you, and where we will discuss the magic of compounding, and after that we will be discussing how to achieve your financial goals through investing. And next we will discuss where and when can we invest. And finally, we will be discussing how you can start investing. If you like the video, please let me know and share it with your friends. Do subscribe the channel to get more updates in the future. Thank you for watching.